Okay, so, yan lang po, may mga pumapasok pa. Alright, so let's take a quick look on what we will be covering for your journey today. First is part one, the Facebook marketing journey, para maintindihan natin kung paano tayo napunta dito. Then we will dive into the 2025 algorithm and paano natin ile-leverage for your personal brand, okay? Again, you'll be hearing terms na mamaya i-discuss ko, ano yun? Ano daw yun? Algorithm, brand. Okay, so after that, we will, I'll give you a practical. Ito yung maganda. It's a 30-day jumpstart plan. So, this is not just a training na matututo ka, but I'll give you a plan. Okay, which I will give you a Google Docs, which nandun talaga yung plan. And yan, you can always message me. And para maano ko pa rin sa inyo, like, I can even give you scripts, okay? Pero I think hindi ko pa yun natapos. But on that plan, because that's 30 days naman, so I can even guide you in that, no? Then, of course, part four is we will have question and answer and what will be the next steps, okay? So my goal is for you to live here today feeling confident and ready to start marketing on Facebook. Dito po sa Facebook. Okay? Okay, since I would like to believe lahat tayo bago rito, so why Facebook? A quick history. Tingnan po muna natin ano ba itong Facebook, no? Kung hindi nyo po alam. So back in 2004 to 2006, a social network for college students. Okay? So, nung nag-start po si Mark Zuckerberg, sa ano lang to, local lang to. I think that's ano school ba yung brother? Sa Harvard, no? So, mga brain nito eh. So, basta meron siyang ginawang hack. Meron yan, may story yan, may movie yan, how he started Facebook, no? Pero he started for just college students para ma-connect lang niya yung mga estudyante. Okay, but over the years, nag-evolve siya. Okay, so in 2007, they introduced the first business profiles. Okay, nagkaroon na ng business profiles. So the seed is planted. Na? So planting the seeds na po ito for marketing. And I was there. Okay, I'm 53 years old. No? So, and I've been an internet geek ever since. For so long, 2000 and one, I think. Yeah, 19. Yeah. Gano'ng katagal, I'm already into internet. So, nasimulan ko po ito. Of course, we have Friendster. I don't know I'm sure, no? Yung mga kaidaran ko rito. Then Facebook came. It's boring. So, nag-start kami doon. But again, I saw how it evolved, no? So, yan na nga, 2007, nagsimula na sila ng business profile. They're now planting seeds for marketing. So, and then another shift came in 2012, mobile ads arrived, no? So, making marketing becomes accessible to everyone. So, nandiyan na po yung mga mobile ads. So, nagiging accessible na yung tool of marketing. So, pwede na sa cellphone. And now in 2025, all right, it is AI driven. So, yun na yun. We know what's happening with AI. Everything is using AI. Okay? Nung start, walang gusto umamin, pero ngayon, okay, umamin ka na AI. Human Focus Platform. Okay? So, your personal profile is now your most powerful tool. Okay? Yan po ang nangyayari ngayon. Now, let's go to some key terms, before we get into the strategy. Let's make sure, okay, we're all on the same page with a few key terms. Profile. Profile is your personal account. Okay, ang profile mo yun, yung personal, okay, personal Facebook account mo. So isipin mo siya na digital business card mo. So I believe, no, may mga kaidaran tayo dito. It's so standard in the past na when you see each other, of course, iba't ibang paraan ng pagbigay ng business card. Okay? So ang profile mo, business card mo yan. Okay? So that's why it's very, very important. Yeah, again, I've seen so many marketers not paying attention doon sa kanilang profile, no? And alam mo yun, you're trying to present or promote something serious or you want to promote yourself tapos ang profile pic mo yung aso mo. Okay? Anyway, we'll be talking about profile later. Okay? So it's your business card. So when they see it, what do they see? Okay, do they see somebody who's serious? Somebody they want to do business with? Or parang, ano yun? Profile pic niya, ano, anime. Favorite character niya. Okay? Next, another important word is group. Okay, you hear that group. Ang group ay yung community space for people with shared interests. Okay, so yung mga group pages. So doon mo sila mahahanap. If you're looking for people who loves cars, meron yung groups. Who loves who loves AI, who loves network marketing, who loves sales, everything is there. It's called a group. Newsfeed. Okay, what people see when they log in. So once they log in, they see the news feed. Okay? Ito yung main page no, na nakikita where all the contents appear. Okay? So very, very important yan. Again, this is your business. Kailangan may nakikita siya dyan. Algorithm. It is the AI that decides what content gets seen. Okay? Yan na po ngayon, algorithm. Si AI ang nagde-decide nun, artificial intelligence, meaning it's a program. Okay, back in the past when you post, let's say you have 100 friends, pag nag-post ka, all 100 friends sees your post. Okay? Nung nag-start pa tayo no, sa Facebook. Ngayon, hindi na. Alright? Even if you can ask friend, nakikita ko ba yung post ko? Sabi, hindi. Because AI na nagde-decide and ang daming factors para your post will be shown to different type of users. So, yun yung isang mga pag-uusapan natin. Okay, ang reach naman or organic, meaning hindi paid, how many people see your content for free? Okay, so this is very, very important. Sayang naman you posted and hindi naman nakita. Okay? So again, napakahalaga niyan because you're posting and nobody's seeing it. Wala, ikaw lang. And lastly, the engagement refers to any interaction, like, comment, and shares. Okay, so these are key terms that we should know. And by the way, I'll be sharing to you this. Of course, first this is recorded, and I'll also be sharing to you uh, the blueprint of this training. So pwede mong balikan, pwede mong reviewin. Okay, now let's go. Let's move on. Understanding the 2025 algorithm. So nagbago na po. Sabi nga, wala daw forever. Pati Facebook, palit ang palit. Alright, so ang algorithm's goal is to keep user on the platform. So ito po talaga yung goal ni algorithm. Na ikaw, pagkat nagbukas ka ng Facebook na hindi ka makalis. Okay? Okay, so it's a Facebook way of ensuring that the user see the content that keeps them engaged. So gusto nila na magstay ka dun sa Facebook platform. Complex siya, no? It's a very complex system, but you can think of it as ano, parang prioritizing posts from people you know and contents na sa tingin niya ay magugustuhan mo. Okay? So, pinaprioritize niya. First, people you know. And second, contents na magugustuhan mo. So, and mapapansin mo yan, di ba? Once you start clicking, let's say, houses. Kunyari, naghahanap ka ng, ano, ng house and lot for sale. Medyo may nakita kang magandang post. Uy, maganda to. Pak, pak. Eh, mapapansin mo lahat ng post na dumadaan sa'yo tungkol sa houses, no? Or if you're somebody who loves cars, medyo napapacheck ka sa mga post pagdating sa kotse. Eh, mapapansin mo, oh, wow! Pinupuno ni Facebook ng post yung newsfeed mo, puro about cars, no? Yun po yun. And that's because of the algorithm. Okay, kaya napakahalaga na makapasok tayo dyan. Okay? It evaluates, itong yung algorithm, it evaluates contents based on four key factors, no? It prioritize content from people you are connected to. First, yung muna, yung mga connection mo. Okay, ito po yung four ranking factors. First, inventory. So, siyempre, lahat ng post, chine-check nila yan. Okay, kung ano yung pwede nilang ipadaan sa'yo. Then, signals. Ito nga po, user actions. So, tine-check din niya yung mga videos na tinatapos mo. Right? Kasi kailangan nila yan eh. Ikaw ba yung pag-click mo, 2 seconds, out ka na. Alright, pero ano kaya yung videos na tinapos? O, di ba? So, alam niya, interested talaga si ano dito, si Jean dito. Kasi, wow, start to finish, no? And another ranking factor ng mga sa algorithm is how likely to engage with a post. Okay, so chine-check din niya kung mag-engage ka ba, magla-like ka ba, mag-share ka ba, or wala lang. Alright, nagpe-predict siya, but makikita kasi niya yan sa past actions mo. Let's say, merong post na hilig mo, let's say for women, kunyari, makeup. Okay, how to do an eyeshadow. Mga ganon. So nakita niya, nung may napanood kang ganon, pa, comment ka, nag-like ka, sinare mo pa. So most likely, uulit-ulitin niya yon. Okay? Very, very important yan. And lastly, okay, the algorithm also ranks based on relevance, no? Originality and value of the content. So if yung post is original and gives a lot of value, yan yung talagang pina-prioritize niya. Okay? And that's why it's very, very important that we understand this is how Facebook works. And kailangan alam natin yun. Dahil kailangan natin, ang gusto natin, yung post natin ay napapost o napapakita sa marami. Okay, that's why I'm sure you've experienced that. Pag post mo, pag tingin mo sa views, 3 lang. 5 views, parang wow. But you have 2,000 friends. Bakit ganun? 5 lang yung nakakita out of my 2,000 friends. Okay? Very important. Okay, so very, very basic. We have to understand that we have to start with a personal profile. Ito po talaga yan. This is sa ano eh, kumbaga, this is where you build your impression. So your profile is your business card. Tandaan natin yan. Okay, wala na po talaga yung abutan ng business eh, ng cards, physical card, no? So make sure it looks professional with a clear headshot, okay, of your face. Kaya nga siya, kailangan siya tinawag na Facebook. Sometimes nga, when I look at other profiles, walang face, sabi ko, wow, sayang naman, Facebook ang tawag dito. And you don't show your face. Okay, so, and of course, don't just post uh, yung profile pic mo na, alam mo yung grupo kayo, tapos, parang, ano naman lang, parang kinat mo yung sarili mo, may mga katabi ka pa. Okay? Alright, it actually reflects your brand. Kasama na rin yung cover photo. Remember, di ba, meron kang profile, tapos meron kang parang banner, no? Pati yun. And so make sure, no? So also, you have to take some time to clean it up. So now that you know, no? If you really want to use your personal profile for your business, now you know. Okay, sa focus ka lang talaga doon. I-clean up mo na. Remove, no? I-remove mo yung mga old contents na hindi aligned dun sa goals mo. Ano bang goal mo ngayon? Let's say your goal is to gain influence, to gain traction. Mas maraming taong titingin. Dahil ang goal mo is to bring them to your specific business or gusto mo i-promote. Okay, so linisin mo na. Let's say may post ka doon na binabatikos mo si Duterte. Parang, okay, anong relevance nandun sa business mo? Okay, so now, you know that people are watching your posts. Okay, and they will create an impression kasi kung sino ka eh. Okay, of course, I remember I have a friend na sobrang grabe talaga. Grabe siyang mag-post, grabe siyang government, no? At kasi may mura talaga. Minumura niya yung yeah, and if I see that and I want to do business with that person, do you think I'll be, hindi kaya ako magdalawang isip? Grabe. As in, mura, no? Minumura niya yung mga presidente. Parang, and I don't, of course, parang magdadalawang isip ako, no? If I really would love to be associated with this person. Baka makulong pa to. Alright, so first, linisin natin. So review your profile now. Review your post. Is it aligned to what you want to happen? Okay, second, okay, I'm sorry. Be an authentic human. Okay, so people wants to connect with a person. tao dapat, no? Kailangan authentic ka. Hindi sales speech. Hindi yung, yeah, again, in your wall post, yeah, don't sell. Hindi pwedeng selling. Join us, join ka na. This is the best. Alam mo yun? Because people don't want to be pushed. Okay? And I love this quote nga na people don't want to be sold, they want to buy. Okay? Magkaiba po yun. So, ang feeling nila, pag lagi ka na lang, oh, sali ka na, join ka na, invite kita na, you're just pushing and pushing. But what they want is, they want to buy. Okay, so when they start seeing your post, oh, you're very interesting, tapos sila yung, ay, ano yung pinupost mo? Alright, so again, those are advanced strategies, no? Pero let's stick with the, ano muna, with the basic. So, wag ka lang mag-sales speech palagi. I-share mo yung journey and stories mo. Okay, if kunyari lang, you're promoting a weight loss program. So, hindi palaging benta. Isama mo sila sa journey. Hi, yan. Sabi mo, grabe, 1 week ago, I used this coffee, ang sarap niya. And grabe, I lost 5 pounds. Alam mo yun? Without mentioning, bili na kayo. Pero mentioning the product, buy now, PM me. Well, okay. Ano na, dali mo lang sila sa journey mo. And I did try that before. It's basically a journey. Okay, this is day one. I finally decided to lose weight. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay? So, focus on long form video, no? Uh, gusto nila yung mga reels. Ito yung gusto ng Facebook, reels. Okay? Uh, ang gusto nila yung papanoorin hanggang dulo. So, yun ang favorite ng algorithm, yung videos na pinapanood na tinatapos. So, make sure your reels really make sense, no? Favorite content yan. Use trending audio effects. Ito, medyo advanced ito, pero i-ano mo, i-research mo, ano ba yung mga trending? Okay? Ano ba yung mga trending na audio effects now? Yan ang gustong-gusto ng algorithm. Okay? So, we're still here at the personal profile. Okay, you need to encourage meaningful engagement. So, hindi lang basta-basta. Okay, when you post something doon sa yung ano, di ba, sa post mo, no, you write a text. Kumbaga, ask open-ended questions. Yan. Hindi lang parang isang statement. Palagi may tanong para makaspark ng conversation. Okay? Kasi yan ang gusto ng ano ng algorithm. May nag-uusap doon sa chat mo, doon sa post mo, may nagtanong, may sumagot ka, may sumagot. Ako, favorite nila yan. And I had one experience na ganyan, guys. I don't know. It's on one of my pages. It reached a view of parang 2 million views yun eh. And grabe kasi it's about health, no? Medyo controversial picture ng isang taong payat at taong mataba. In short, grabe talaga. So nanonood lang ako, wow, wow. By the second, by the minute, boom. Sabi ko, wow, pwede pala to. And because of that, I grew my Facebook page followers to in a matter of 2 weeks yata, I think mga 86,000 new followers, no? And hanggang ngayon, umaandar pa yung post na yan. Okay, because of that, very engaging photo, tapos may mga pictures, tapos ang dami kasing nagkaroon ng conversation inside. Tapos panay ang sharing, no? So yan ang game changer talaga. Okay? And, yun na nga, once merong nag-comment, guys, huwag niyong ba isnabin to. Engage, no? Respond to every single comment. Hindi pwedeng, example lang po, I'm sure dito may mga naka-experience na may bumati sa iyo ng birthday, di ba? Tapos, happy birthday. Di ba? Pare-parehas naman, happy birthday. Tapos ikaw, ano lang, like. Tapos meron kang major sa pinakadulo. To those who greeted me on my birthday, I can respond to all of you, thank you. Naku, sayang yun. If you just have responded to every happy birthday, grabe, as in lilipad yung post mo. And that's what we do. Makikita niyo po, pag mga happy birthday greetings sa mga walls namin. Birthday ko, birthday ng wife ko. Kita niyo lahat yan ng may bumati, sagot, bati, sagot. Sumagot siya, sagot ulit. And grabe, boom, 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 parami ng paraming views and engagement. Okay, respond to every single comment and use the show more. Ito, huwag niyo pong titipirin yung sentence niyo. Minsan talaga kailangan maikli lang para ano, kita agad. Mas gusto ni Facebook na mahaba. Kasi hindi ba pag dumaan sa wall mo yan, i-present lang niya yung first two lines tapos show more. Tapos i-click kasi nila yan, di ba? Para lumabas yung ibang, yung second part. Okay? Pero yun yung gusto ni Facebook. Gusto nila na hindi hihinto yung viewer. As a matter of fact, kiniklik niya yun kasi hindi niya mapigilang hindi basahin. Kaya nga, yung hooks na tinatawag. So dito na pumapasok kailangan alam mo rin gamitin yung contents mo na may hook ka muna sa start para, uy, ano yun? At saka niya i-click kasi bitin siya. Okay? Yan ang gustong-gusto ni Facebook, no? So, compelling captions that get cut off. Alam mo, kung kumbaga sa chismis, may chinichismis ka, uy, alam mo ba, Mare? Si ano? Tapos wala. Ano yung si ano? Alright, mga ganun, ano? So, dito pumapasok ang copywriting. Art po ito. Anyway, matututunan niyo po yun in the future. Okay, leverage Facebook groups. So, dito, hanapin mo rin yung groups na nandun yung niche mo. Okay, and when you join your group, you provide value, build relationships without being over promotional, no? Hindi pwedeng puro benta, puro benta. Lahat ng post ka lang ng post, pero hindi ka nag engage. Dapat doon sa mga ibang nagpo-post, umi-engage ka doon. Uy, great post. Uy, I like this product. Okay, wow, this helps a lot. Thank you for sharing. Alam mo yon, engage. Engagement is the key. Para bumabalik kasi yan, nakikita ni Facebook, wow, engaging yung account mo. So in short, ipo-promote ka niya. Okay, so hindi puro benta and benta na lang. Okay, so now, again, we will have another session for that in Facebook groups and Facebook pages. So, nandito pa lang po tayo ngayon sa profile, which is your very first step. Okay, so I hope I'm not overloading you, but again, this is recorded. I'll share this to you. Pwede mo panoorin ulit and I'll give you the blueprint of this. Okay, na pwede mo lang basahin kung gusto mo lang balikan. Now, let's talk about the do's of profile marketing. Okay, ano may mga dapat gawin? These are just some, marami ito. Best practices. Okay, may pumapasok pa. Okay, first, do post consistently. Okay, find a rhythm and stick to it. Okay, hanapin mo yung rhythm mo. Okay, kung anong oras. Iba-iba kasi yan eh. Hindi ibig sabihin post ka, dire-diretso. Okay na yun. Hanapin mo yung rhythm ng posting mo. Kung sino ba yung market mo. Let's say your market are, uh, uh, ano, yung, tawag dito, mga ano ba? Mga moms, mga mommy na nasa bahay lang. Okay, anong oras ba sila online? Siyempre, first thing, early in the morning, hindi yan, busy yan sa pagpe-prepare ng mga bata. After pag-prepare, pagpasok na, diretso muna sa labahan yan. Bandang mga 10 a.m., 10:30, 11, bago mag-prepare ng lunch, ay, pahinga muna. Alright, so mukhang ito yung time ng rhythm ko. So tingnan mo, and i-experiment mo talaga yan. Okay, for those na ang tina-target mo naman, yung mga office workers. Of course, during work hours, hindi yan mag-Facebook. So kailan sila available? I'm also starting, I'm not yet very big in TikTok. I do my free live relationship coaching in TikTok. And I found out na ang dami kong viewers pag lunch break. Grabe, as in, whew. So I have about 50, 70, 80 people watching on a lunch break. At nighttime, I have 30 to 40, 20, 30. Sabi ko, ba't ganun? Kung kailan naman gabi, hindi ba, wala nang ginagawa yung tao. Pero yun, I just realized people who wants to talk about relationships and sila yung available during lunch break, 12:15, 12:30. Okay, so again, that's how you do it. You have to identify and make experiments, no? Do prioritize video contents, real stories, live. Mas gusto ni Facebook yan. Okay? So if you can come up with your own reel, stories, live, again, we will have another session for that. Pero dito pa lang po tayo, na very, very basic step, personal profile marketing. Parang binibenta mo pa lang yung calling card mo. Again, your personal profile is your business card. Do engage with your audience, be part of the conversation. Again, if somebody comments, make sure sumagot ka. Ask questions, alam mo yon, be intentional. Nakipag-usap siya sa, sa comment. Sige. From where are you? Alam mo yon, magkwentuhan kayo kung kailangan. But you engage. And yun yung gusto ng algorithm ng Facebook. Do use high quality visuals. Okay? So make sure high quality yung visual mo. Hindi yung blurry, hindi yung parang non-appealing. And the good news is you can now do it using AI, no? And it's even free. Before wala pang ganun. No? You can ask AI to create an image for you. Mas specific dun sa gusto mo. Okay? And which is really good. Do create content. So good people want to share it in a private message or kahit i-share nyo rin sa wall niya. So make sure your contents are tinatawag naman, share worthy. Okay, which is some people do that, no? Like maybe nabasa ka about relationships or about business. Wow, nga, no? Sige, tas share it. Instead of gagawin niya pa kasi yun, kukopyahin niya yung ginawa mo, share ko na lang para makita ng mga friends ko. Okay, so ito yung gusto natin gawin. These are the do. Okay? Now, if there are do's, what are the don'ts? Meron din mga don'ts, no? And make sure, alam natin to. Sorry pa, makati ilong ko. Don't use engagement bait. Okay, ito wag po ba ipenalize kayo ni Facebook. Yung sa post mo mismo sinasabi mo, paki-like, paki-share. Nako, lalong hindi ipapakita. Okay, don't mention it like, oh, please like, please share, comment, and like. Ayaw nila yon. So, alisin natin yan. Okay? Don't post recycled content. Ako, especially po yung galing sa TikTok. Yung may mga watermarks. Alam na recycle. Okay, ayaw nila yun. Let's say may nakuha kang video from TikTok, post mo doon. Ako, hindi rin po ipopost si Facebook yan. Okay, gusto ni Facebook talaga, original. Don't spam links in your main caption. Ito po, no? Of course, I learned it the hard way as well. Kunyari, gusto mo silang i-click yung replicated link mo. Okay, gusto mo silang may panoorin silang video or YouTube video. Huwag mo yung ilagay sa main. Hindi ipapublish sa Facebook yan. Okay, again, ano nga ba ano yung gusto ni Facebook? Huwag kang aalis sa platform. So if you post a link, okay, na visit this site to know more, pinaalis mo eh. Okay? So pag-click niya ganun, bye-bye Facebook, open na naman yung bagong site. Umalis na siya. Pero there's a workaround there, no? Which is, I think, inalaw na rin naman ni Facebook. Put them in the first comment. Okay? Kunyari, may post ka. Okay. Check out this opportunity. Sobrang ganda niya. Alright? If you're into this SNE marketing, 20 years strong. Grabe. Ano mo yan? Check the first comment. The link is there. Yan, ganon. The link is on the first comment. Ganyan yung pwede mo ilagay. Huwag mo ilagay yung website or whatever, YouTube. Okay? Sa ayaw ni Facebook yon. Pero okay lang siya, i-comment mo na lang. Payag sa John. Okay? Kasi hindi mo pa rin pinapalis. Nandun pa rin siya sa comment. And don't ignore your analytics. Learn what works and what doesn't. Medyo advanced na po yun, pero makikita nyo doon sa Facebook Professional. Meron doon analytics. Makikita mo yung reach, yung engagement, gaano karami yung nag-view, etc. Dapat inaaral po natin yan. So again, that's medyo advanced po and we will get there. Okay? So I hope you're still there. Now let's go to our 30-day jumpstart plan. Okay? So week 1 po. Okay, ito yung mapa natin, ano? So this is a design for us to get started. with mixed content types. Okay? So, iba-ibay natin just to give Facebook. Okay? Again, this is not even for your friends. Eh. Parang, mo na, pinapakitaan mo na si Facebook. Okay? Si Facebook ang kausap mo rito. But of course, you have to post it. And sometimes, some friends will engage, sometimes hindi, kasi nag-start ka pa. So don't be frustrated. Ano ba yan? Wala man nag-like, wala nag-comment. It's okay. Because you're just starting, okay? So we're actually building the foundation. So in week one, foundation and story, no? So week, okay, so meron akong i-share sa inyo samples. Okay, or probably pwede kong daanan later. Pero ngayon, papakita ko lang po sa inyo yung flow ha. So day one, hello world. Okay, yun muna yung day one mo sa week one. Hello world, hello mundo. Magpapakilala ka lang. Day three, okay, kung mababasin nyo, hindi siya everyday, no? Parang soft start po tayo dito. Day three naman, okay, teka lang, I'm checking. Personal story, no? So it's about why you started this business. Okay, pwede ka na magano doon. So I started this business, I joined this business because of this. So share your personal story. And nakakatulong po kasi yon to build authenticity and trust. Parang nag-start ka, okay, I just started this journey and I'm so excited because this is what I saw. Okay, so nakikita, Okay, day five, post a simple question to spark conversation sa comments. So, simple Q&A lang. So, if your product is losing weight, so how do you do that? How do you lose weight? All right, what do you do if you want to lose weight? Write in the comments below. Yeah, simple lang, hindi masyadong mahirap. Okay, or have you ever tried crowdfunding? Ganon. So, write your comment below. Something interesting. Okay, now let's go to week number two, value and education. So in week two naman, we will start focusing on value. Okay, so mag-start tayo sa day 8. Okay, sundin lang po natin to. Create your first reel with a powerful hook. Okay, so mahalaga to. So now, you will start videoing yourself. So iba sabihin lang, ako, ayoko niya, hindi ako marunong niyan. Well, you just have to do it. If you really want to use your Facebook as a powerful tool in marketing, you have to do it. Kaya nga, so that's why we're here. We are coaches. We will guide you, no? If hindi mo talaga alam, you can easily send us a question. By the way, you need to follow me on Facebook. Para may message po ako. Francis Kiko Javier, no? So if you could do it now, Francis Kiko Javier is my account. Okay, follow nyo lang po ako doon. Click nyo lang. Meron naman dong follow button. Okay? And I think you can message me there. Or you can add me as a friend kung pwede. Kung pwede pa. Okay? Because again, I'll be here to guide you. So, day 8, create your first reel or short video with a powerful hook. Again, ano yung hook? These are questions, no? Na parang hindi sila makahinto. And we will talk about that more. So, sa day 11 naman, high quality graphic na merong motivational quote or a useful tip. No? Yung talagang pagtingin nila, hindi sila makalampas. Wow, ganda nito ah. Okay, pwedeng, okay, if you want to work on the emotions, yung tao, hirap na hirap, umiiyak, o hawak niya yung wallet niya na walang laman. Parang, alam mo yun, yung nakarelate siya pagdaan niya. Tapos meron kang motivational quote. Parang, one of the quotes I love is, you don't have to start to be great. You just have, and you don't have to be great to start. You just have to start to be great. And that's where I started all of these things. When I started online marketing and everything I do until now. Kahit hindi ko alam, gagawin ko. Because I know it is in the starting point that doon ako magle-learn. Hindi ko pa kasi alam yan. Aralin ko muna bago ko gawin. Okay? So, most likely hindi mo masisimulan. Okay? Just do it, no? You have to start to be great. Okay, and you can use those things, mga motivational quotes. That's day 11. Day 14, live video announcement. Okay, dito mag-a-announce ka na yon. Sabi mo, I'll have a live video, I'll have a Q&A, All right, and I'm here to answer questions. So this will help build anticipation and the reconnection. So yung mga friends mo, magla-live siya. Wow. Tungkol saan yan? And you don't know, no? You don't know that people are really watching you. Okay? Alam mo, actually, ikaw din, di ba? Daan ka lang ng daan sa post, di ka naman nagko-comment. Pero you're looking at some people na hindi nila alam. And yun po nangyayari talaga sa Facebook. Akala natin walang nagpipay attention. They're paying attention. Okay? So day 17, use a poll. Okay, ito na po yun. Poll post naman to engage your audience and learn what's holding them back. Okay, so ito yung parang nagpo-post ka na survey. Meron din po sa Facebook yan. Again, there will be guide, no? May mga i-share po akong guide. And of course, you can always connect to us and ask us, no? And yeah, definitely we will help you, no? Day 20, share testimonial or a success story of a friend to build social proof. O hindi ikaw to. They say, oh, my friend, he used this product and kita mo yung nangyari sa kanya. Right? Oh, my friend, he needs a lot. And grabe yung needs niya. And because of this opportunity, grabe nakatulong talaga sa kanya. Di ba? So, hindi na yun kasi, oh, alam mo, center sa'yo. It's now about a friend. Day 23, group invitation. So, ito na. You invite people to a private Facebook group. Okay, ikaw na magke-create ka na ng Facebook group. Again, medyo second level na to, but uh, but at least you know ano yung mga kasunod. And in that group, exclusive community yon around your brand. So dun talaga. Actually dun sa Facebook group, dun po yung lutuan. Okay? Week number 4 is call to action. Okay? So you're ready to call them out. Call action na to. Ito po yan. So sa day 26, create a value-driven promotional post inviting people to a private conversation. Okay? So ini-invite mo na sila. So kung makikita nyo po, build up siya. And since people, no, people are probably, I'm sure they're following you, they're seeing it, naluluto yan. Day 29, make a final announcement for your live Q&A session. Sabi mo, oh, by this time and this date, I'll have a Q&A live session. Please be there. On day 30, progress and gratitude post. No? So, we will share a gratitude post to wrap up for your first month. Celebrating mo, i-celebrate mo na yung progress mo, acknowledging your new community. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo po, that's basically the whole guide na I already prepared din, which ilalagay ko po sa comment. Okay, wait lang po, ano? I just have to pick it up. Uh, one moment lang po. So this is, ilalagay ko po sa comment yung guide, no? Yes po, recorded po ito. Okay, nandiyan na po sa comment yan. Yan po yung guide. Okay, nandiyan na po. Yan basically, nandiyan yung mga scripts, okay, na pwede nyong gamitin para mag-guide ka doon sa mga postings mo. Okay? And that's your 30 days guide na nandiyan na talaga. And all you have to do is to follow it. And right now, I'd like to open the floor for Q&A. Again, focus lang po tayo sa, mag-focus lang po muna tayo dito sa profile. Uh, yeah, but before I do that, no, before the Q&A, at least I also would like to share to you my profile. Okay? Kasi para tingnan nyo rin, oh, Coach, totoo ba yung mga sinasabi mo? Okay? Okay, so this is basically, kung sinabi ko po sa inyo kanina, okay, I hope you're seeing my screen. Yan. Yeah, so first, yung profile pic mo should be something na pag, alam mo yun, pag nakita po ng tao, hindi sila magdadalawang isip. I mean, hindi naman po ako yung pinaka-pogi, pero ang importante po, malinis yung inyong profile pic. Okay, and kita talaga yung mukha nyo, And of course, ito po yung banner. Something that describes what you value. Okay? So make sure po na yung banner mo, yeah, if you value family, then put your family. If you value career or something, then put something that makita lang, wow, talaga. And it's not always business. Again, your Facebook, yeah, it's our profile, pero hindi siya mukhang business lang. Okay, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, they don't like people na parang ang pag-uusapan lang natin business. Okay, and that yung po yung na-experience ko in the past, no? So when you keep, kung ang profile pic mo is the product of your company or product you're promoting, yung banner mo is the company, if the company products, etc. Alam mo, when you start messaging them, alam na nila kung ano yung, alam mo, lalo yung matagal na kayo hindi nagkausap, 2 years, 3 years, tapos biglang, ang unang message mo after 3 years, kumusta? Tapos pagtingin niya sa profile mo, product, product, product. Tapos lahat ng post mo, buy now, join now, buy now. Sabi niya, ay, alam ko na to. Wala. Okay, so you have to present yourself as a human being. Okay, so yan po. And of course, the bio, everything here, you should put everything. No, you should complete, no, yung bio mo, ano ba yung laman niyan? Of course, I would like to be I'm presenting myself as a, of course, as a Christian who happens to be a husband, a father, a friend, and a relationship coach. So that's what I do. So may nakita po ba kayo diyang business? Wala, di ba? Yeah, so parang open siya. Hindi yung pag nag-message ako, parang, ay, nako, re-recruiting na naman ako nito. Okay, and make sure everything there is, ano po. So ako, I made a decision that my profile is not really business. Why? Because I have a page. Doon po ako sa page nagpo-promote. Pero okay, I'm not perfect. Minsan hindi ko matiis. Sige, lagay dyan. Pero, yun na nga, I have to make sure 80-20 rule, 80% is more on personal, giving value about yourself. Kasi in the online world, hindi ka naman kilala ng mga tao eh. Okay? And makikilala ka lang nila sa Facebook mo. Okay? This is your diary. Okay? If kaya nga, sabi ko, if you keep on posting mga negativities, yung kung paano ka negatibo sa gobyerno, kung binabatikos mo to, tapos people will see you, ay, grabe naman siya. Tapos, yun na nga, and sa wall mo, lalabas din kasi doon, nakikita rin nila yung mga, I mean, ano yung mga madalas mong kino-comment. Okay, so ito po. So, this is my profile and please make sure po to follow me, Francis Kiko Javier. Sa mga hindi pa po naka-follow, ipopost ko rin po dito. Okay? Yan, because you're trying to sell yourself, no? As a person that they can trust. Okay, ganyan po sa online marketing because they don't know me. They don't know my background. They just see me online, videos. Okay? So, kung ipe-penetrate nyo po yung online, ito ang pinaka first impression, your Facebook page or yung wall mo. Okay? So, yan po yung laman ng akin and kung mapapansin nyo, it's just basically personals. Tinitingnan nila parang masaya palagi yung kalbo na yan. Oh, palagi yung wife niya yung laman. O, tapos meron silang picture ng wife. Tapos palagi kasama yung wife and church. Well, I'm not saying na kailangan i-promote natin na religyoso tayo or something. Then you can see na there's quotes. Of course, these are my personal posts. Yan. Yan po. So basically, yan po. And you can check it out. Check my profile. So that's who I am. No? Ito po yung sinasabi ko siya. There's also a professional dashboard. Okay, ito yung analytics. No? Kailangan, eventually, malalaman nyo rin po yan. Okay. So, I had, maliit pa ho ito. No? I'm not really into Facebook so much because I'm more into TikTok. But I'm also trying my best, no, just like you. So, pwede tayo magsabay. Again, I just reviewed my notes again para i-present sa inyo. So, I had 55,000 views. Uh, alam niyo po ba na kumikita na rin tayo sa Facebook? Okay, so napakaliit niyan pero diyan naman mag-start lahat yan. No? So, this post yesterday had 534 views, etc., etc. So, makikita niyo po dito lahat yan sa insights. Okay? And this is your parang dito mo makikita kung yung mga followers mo, na 22.9% ang nakakita ng aking posting, 77% are followers already, etc. etc. So marami po yan. Ito yung mga top content, 1,000 na yan. Maliit pa ho yan, if you compare it to the great ones, no? And yeah, may tinatawag din engagement. Another tip, no, before we end, at least alam nyo lang po, if you really want to Facebook to keep showing your contents, you also have to learn to engage. So at least 10 posts a day, mag-comment po kayo. Let's say this one kay Enerlan. So of course, ila-like mo and you, not only thumbs up, mag-heart ka. Tapos basahin mo talaga. Ito, see more. Ito po yung gusto ni Facebook. Make sure you open it. Huwag ka lang, sige, mag-comment daw ako. You open it. Ayan, oh, ang haba, di ba? And stay for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Pero basahin mo talaga. From pain to relief. Oh, may sinasabi siya rito. Health is priceless. Yan, mag-comment ka. Yung comment mo, hindi lang, wow, okay, yay, thanks. Lagyan mo talaga, thank you for this. Mga at least 5 to 6 words. Wonderful, wonderful post. It is a great reminder. Tapos lagyan mo ng mga emoji. Yan, nasobrahan. And post. Okay, so once nakita ni Facebook na you're supporting Facebook, you're supporting others, you're liking, commenting, sharing, alam mo, gagawin niya rin sa yun. Okay, ipopromote ka niya kasi nakikita niya ni Facebook nakakampi ka. Okay, again, anong gusto ni Facebook? Engagement. Okay, so nakikita niya, oh, this person is very engaging. He engages with others. Okay? So, gawin mo yan at least mga 10 a day. Okay? Dito yan sa feeds. Punta ka dito sa feeds. Ito kasi yung feeds ng mga friend. Ito pili ka, all favorites, groups, friends. Piliin mo yung friends. Nandito yung mga posting ng friends mo. Okay? Ayan. And make sure, again, make sure you click the see more, ha. Bago ka mag-comment, huwag ka lang dadaan, tapos comment agad. I-click mo yan. Yun, basahin mo talaga kung kaya, no? Or i-browse mo lang kung medyo nagmamadali-madali ka. Okay, see more. Yan. Pero mas maganda, piliin mo yung tao talaga. Kasi ito, these are companies, yung mga promotion yan. Careers at marketing. Yung mga friends mo talaga, like Nestor, Saludo, yan, kakilala ko yan, etc. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope meron kayo na pick up. I don't know kung na-retain nyo, but again, you can always go back to this. But Facebook is our friend. Okay? And yung profile nyo is your business card. Okay? Make use of it and make sure people likes going to your page, to your profile, and to your wall kasi marami silang natututunan. Ang pinakamahalaga po dito is you provide value to them. So yung mga post mo na pag nabasa nila, they get something. Hindi negative. They feel positive. Right? Pag nag-post ka, yung mga viewers mo parang, oo nga, yes, correct. Magko-comment siya na, go, 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 yes, yan ang gusto ko. Yan talaga. Mga ganon-ganon. Okay, so guys, wow, thank you so much for staying this long. And I hope meron kayong na-pick up. Again, pinost ko po dyan sa chat uh, yung pinaka blueprint nitong pinag-usapan natin. You can always go back there and you can always send me a message and I'll definitely would love to get back to you. And yung susunod nating mga trainings will be going advanced. Facebook pages, Facebook groups, how to post an ads. Yeah, medyo mga advanced na po yun. Pero for now, let's just enjoy the profile. Doon sa pinigay ko pong link na yun at Google Docs, meron na din yung 30 days posting mo in the guide. So make sure you follow that. Simulan po natin because again, everybody is on Facebook. Okay, and your market is already on Facebook. All you have to do is to tap into them using your profile. Okay, so we're open for Q&A. You can chat. Kung meron kayong gusto itanong. Okay, basta again, in relation to the profile and the basics of Facebook marketing. So, pwede po tayo magtanong? Again, maraming salamat po. But I'm just here. No? Ako po si Coach Kiko. And I'm here to help. At I'm looking forward na marami po tayong time together on a Saturday. Ma'am Alice, yan, from Lucena. Hello. Yan po, ano. Basta, yun. Again, make your profile attractive. Yun po muna, no? 80-20 rule. 80% is more on personals and giving value. 20% is about the business. Okay? Para hindi po ma-feel ng inyong mga viewers na, puro business naman to. Thanks, Anthony. Coach, posible ba yon hindi ilabas ang face mo? Caricature lang. Sa profile. Ah, yeah, it really depends on the impression kasi, Ma'am Net, no? So, if that caricature, what do you want viewers to see? Yeah, sometimes I did that, no? Naglagay ako ng cartoon, cartoon profile ko. Pero as a life coach, as somebody who wants to present myself as someone serious, tapos cartoon ng caricature face, yeah, it looks happy, it looks cool, di ba? Parang, oh, cool naman yung mukha, ang cute na mukha niya. Yeah, it really depends, Ma'am Net, doon sa tina-target mo na market. But kung ang tina-target mo somebody serious, and you think like let's say a business. If I be talking to a president of a company, okay, presenting a project na multi-million project, pag-click niya, cartoons yung mukha ko. Oh, is this guy really serious? Di ba? So again, ma'am, depende po. Depende sa tinat-capture natin na market. Pero wag lang, at least your face, no? Because something that will identify you. Okay? Ang hindi ko lang talaga type po is yung caricature yung mga profile na hindi nila muka. Flowers. Ano ba mga nakikita ko? Their main product, no? If your product is Pansolin, ito yung okay. Yeah, but again, it's all about impression. Okay po, guys, it's 11 p.m. a.m. Thank you so much for this time. I'll see you again next Saturday. We will come up with another thing. And probably we can have this session, pwedeng open forum, ano na talaga, actual, let's really guide each other, no? Pwedeng open screen para tingnan natin what happened. But please follow the guide na inilagay ko po doon. I think ilalagay ko ulit. Hindi pala. This is my, ito po yung notes. Google Docs. Follow niyo po yung guide dyan. And hi, Ma'am Mirna. Thank you for opening your cam.
Hello po. Thank you very much, Coach.
Okay, you're welcome po. Teka lang. Pwede ba tayo mag-picture? Can you open your camera doon sa mga ka-open before we end? Picture tayo kasi all I see are photos. Ayun, ang dami. Ang gaganda. Ayan, meron tayong galing sa France. Ma'am Joanne. Ay, nasa ano si Ma'am Joanne? Nasa chat. Nasa
Si Joanne daw po ay nasa church, coach.
may chill. Hindi
Naka-mute lang siya.
nakikinig si Father, ha? Alright, so Ma'am Josie, thank you. Sige
Parang
po.
magninang ata siya.
Thank you. Sir
Opo.
Bruce. Sabi Sir Bruce, oh.
Di ba? Pag gusto talaga may paraan eh. Di ba?
Ayan.
Kagaya ko, coach, is only
4 a.m.?
a.m. dito.
Oh my
Opo.
God.
Magko-5 na.
Thank you, thank you. Alright, smile po tayo. 1, 2, smile. Smile. Alright, God bless everyone. Thank you for attending. Tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo, Ma'am Janelle. Ay, Ma'am, ano? God bless you po.
Yeah.